Everything is shut and hot, just one eye is open now. A slow turn, I don't know how. Remember summer days so bright, operator's voice a distant light. Now the mic is cold and dead, just the turning in my head. Ferris wheel, noon heat, I can still hear the gears under my feet. Spinning slow, hazy dream, just the sun and this faded gleam. A white garland so bold on a gondola, chipped and old. It catches all the brightest rays, lost in these forgotten days. Almost stopped the car right there, breathing in the salty air. But the moment slipped away, just another yesterday. Ferris wheel, noon heat, I can still hear the gears under my feet. Spinning slow, a hazy dream, just the sun and this faded gleam. The sky begins to bleed faster than I thought indeed. Amber hues start to descend as this slow burn day will end. Tickets anymore, but the wheel still keeps the score spinning slow. A hazy dream, just the sun and this faded gleam. Silhouette against the sky, watching colors start to die.